Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's Selenite Gray. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, AMG interior and exterior look, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set to all season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, a natural grain black ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging and USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E300 has 29,342 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.